Hello, welcome to our assembly for today. It's Monday morning. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. I hope you're feeling really good. I hope you've had a really nice time at the weekend and done lovely stuff. And you're ready for a really good week in school. Now, there was a whole load of fun in school that went on last week. We had pancake flipping. We had dressing up for World Book Day. There was all sorts of amazing stuff. On Monday for Key Stage 2, I did a bit of an assembly about what's happening in the news at the moment because there's some really difficult stuff going on in the news. And you might have heard about Russia and Ukraine and the war that's happening. And we talked a bit about peace and how there's nothing that we can do to stop wars and fighting in other countries, but we can make our school, our community right here, right now, a peaceful place. And today I'm going to share with you the words to a song. It kind of works like a poem in a book, and it's by a guy who is called Cat Stevens. And Cat Stevens is a musician who back in 1977, a long time ago, converted to Islam. He changed his name to Yusuf Islam, and he wrote this story, this poem, and it's been turned into a book. So rather than me waffling, I'm going to share the author's end note. And this is what Yusuf Islam, Cat Stevens, wrote about this story, about this version of the book. And then when I've read the story, read the poem, I'm going to ask you teachers to look at the Spring Assemblies playlist, because I've put a link to Cat Stevens playing this live so that you can hear the song. So the author's notes: hello and peace be with you. I'm so very happy to share the words of my song Peace Train with you. I wrote these lyrics more than 50 years ago, and I know the words still boom as true and loud today as they did in the 1970s. It's incredible to see how Peter Reynolds has made the words jump to visual life for a new generation with his joysome illustrations. Each of us has the power to imagine and to dream. We all have our own picture of what a place called heaven would look like. And the one thing for sure, we'd all expect to find there is peace. That's what my song is based on. A train gliding to a world we would all like to share. The heart is where peace begins. So fill it up with as much love as you can and let it spread outward until other people can see and feel it. Be like the sun in the shadows. Jump on board the peace train and let's travel together. Yusuf or Cat Stevens. Now, there's so many things in just that short bit of writing that we talk about in school. There's so many things about letting love in, about Heart Smart that we've talked about. There's so many things about the global goals, about working towards peace and justice and strong institutions, but also to do with our mission statement about dreaming. And dreaming of that peaceful place, dreaming and being a global citizen. So rather than looking towards going to heaven, where heaven is this peaceful place, it's about working to make our world a peaceful place and the things that we can do with where we are right now. So I'm going to skip back through the book and you get a sneak peek of these wonderful illustrations just while it's loading the pages until we get to the front cover. So here we are, Peace Train, written by Cat Stevens and illustrated by Peter Reynolds. You can see this CND logo, the peace symbol here, and you've got people of all religions, all types of skin, different abilities, all coming together. And no matter what we believe in, it's like we say, everyone's welcome at Wincham. We all feel the same. We all want this peace. So I'm going to read you this lovely poem. Now, I've been happy lately thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world as one, and I believe it could be someday it's going to come, because out on the edge of darkness, there rides a peace train. Oh, peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Now, I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. Oh, peace train, sounding louder, glide on the peace train, come on the peace train. Peace train, holy roller, everyone jump up on the peace train. Get your bags together, go bring your good friends too, because it's getting nearer. It soon will be with you. Now come and join the living. It's not so far from you and it's getting nearer. Soon it will all be true. Oh, peace train, sounding louder, glide on the peace train, come on the peace train. Now, I've been crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must we go on hating? Why can't we live in bliss? Because out on the edge of darkness, there rides a peace train. Oh, peace train, take this country, come take me home again. There you go. That's it. It's really simple. It's about wanting to live in peace with everybody else, about living together in this lovely place. Now, I really like this bit. I really like this. Get your bags together. It's saying organize your ideas, organize your thinking. Your bags are like the things that you carry in your head. And you're carrying all those things. You get yourself in the right frame of mind for peace. You bring your good friends. You bring everybody around you, all the people who are sitting around you in class. You are peaceful with them. And then that feeling of peace will be surrounding us. So it's a really, really powerful song. I love, love, love this book. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I'm so pleased to be able to share it with you, because it talks a lot about the things that we believe in at Wincham, about making the world a better place, dreaming of being local, national and global citizens by how we treat everybody else. And it's really cool that this poem, this song, was written 50 years ago and it's still being sung now. It's still being celebrated now. So when I searched on YouTube for the song so that I could share it with you, there were loads of different versions. Loads of bands have done cover versions of it because everybody thought the lyrics were so lovely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it to your teachers now to play the next the song, which is in the Assemblies playlist. It might not be your cup of tea. It might not be the sort of music that you like, but actually have a think about what you can do to make that world a peaceful place. Have a think about Yusuf Islam. Such a cool guy, because 50 years ago, he wrote a song that people are still singing now. People are still remembering what he did to make peace more realistic 50 years ago. Have a lovely rest of the day, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.